'Twas 10 to midnight on December 24th, and all was not well in the far, far north. Some little elves were wrapping 1,024 toys, roller skates for 1,024 good girls and boys. At 10 to midnight, the elves called St. Nick. Tonight, all the boxes had been filled extra quick. Then Mrs. Christmas burst through the doors. "Where are your dirty socks, Santa Claus?" A young elf cried, "Santa, I dropped your dirty sockses in one of the 1,024 boxes. I've got a big pair of scales. Just weigh each present. They'll all weigh the same when you put them in each bucket, except for one, and that one's the culprit. If we could make one comparison every second, we'd be here till 12:07. I've got an idea. We just need to use divide and conquer here. Put half the boxes on that scale and half the boxes on this. Whichever side goes up, that pile we dismiss." On the 10th comparison, with much joy, this elf had found the erroneous toy. A job that could have gone well beyond the time limits took just a matter of minutes. "Where did you learn your clever trick?" "On magic, I make no reliance. All I need to use is a little computer science."
All learned about divide and conquer. To get your problem solutions faster, you should divide your problem. So our game Guess Who is based on the similar logic of dividing the problem. We have 9 characters over here, and it's a multiplayer game. So you have an opponent. So you'll play on 2 systems, and you choose a character for your opponent, and then he has to guess based on properties. It's like what you have chosen. It's totally dividing, eliminating your characters based on properties. So let's give you a little demo.
To know about the game, press intro button.
Each chance where you can eliminate a character is timed, and it's only of 30 seconds. So the player who guesses the first uses less number of turns to play wins. Okay? So let's start.
To start game, press skip intro and then provide a name for yourself.
Okay. So this is the first screen which you get, and over here you have 9 characters. And each character has certain properties if you look. Like he has Mr. Green doesn't have any hair. Few people have grey hair, like 1, 2 and 3 of them. Some people have black hair, red hair. Or there will be 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 who are wearing a coat. So these properties are divided, and based on these properties you will be playing your game. So on the screen you are just choosing a character.
Just like I'm choosing a character for my opponent to guess, my opponent is also selecting a character for me to guess. Confirm button is enabled only when character is selected. Select a character and press confirm button. Game starts only when another player is available. This is the main game screen where you can see time left on one side, options on the top like dress, coat, cap, earring, hair. Player with V means they are wearing a coat, and X means they are not wearing a coat. Sub-options changing as you press various options. Let's have a look how hair property works. It has various sub-options like red, brown, black, grey, and no hair. Using divide and conquer is if I select grey, and if I'm right, then 4 characters remain, and if I'm wrong, then 5 characters remain. You can see I was wrong, and my secret character does not have grey hair. So all the characters with grey hair are eliminated and 5 characters remain. Now I plan to eliminate characters based on coat. So if I select yes, then I will have 3 characters if I'm right, and if I'm wrong, then I'll have 2 characters. So again, I'm doing a 60-40 ratio over here. It's similar to asking computer, is my secret character wearing a coat? Based on whatever sub option you have selected, your answer automatically gets submitted when the time is over. Yes, I selected yes and I was right, so I'm left with 3 characters. You can even directly select the character to guess, but if I think to make a guess, it will take me 3 turns, but if I think to eliminate, it will take me 2 turns. So I select cap sub option with no, so that I'll get either a final character if I'm wrong, or I'll get 2 if I'm right. In traditional Guess Who, you can directly ask your opponent, is my secret character wearing a cap? If he says no, then you deselect all the characters which are not wearing a cap. Unlike traditional system, we are not asking question to the opponent, but achieving the same results with the help of coding and computations. I'm left with 2 characters. Now it's a 50-50 chance, so I can make a wild guess and directly select a character. You can take a wild guess anytime in the game, but it will lead you to more number of turns and you might end up losing the game. In traditional systems, both the players ask questions to each other turn by turn. But over here, both players are playing simultaneously, so the result could be that either one wins and the second person loses, or it can even be a draw, unlike the traditional cardboard game of Guess Who. You can start another game by pressing on return button.
Keeps on entertaining, and very good work done by this guy. A lot of hard work seems to be there. So I really enjoyed the game. Thanks to all of you.
Yeah, the game was interesting. It was fun. I thought the game was rigged against me because I lost 2 of them. So I got to meet new people. I can see the effort the people have put into this game. It's the coding, the UI, everything. So I really appreciate the effort, and yeah, it was fun.
Interesting game. I wouldn't say interesting. Yeah, apart from the interesting game, I learned how to save time searching for some stuff. So I'll definitely try that in my clothes. Thank you.
I actually got to know how divide and conquer works, and so that's the best part. You could find out the results by using the concept in the game, and I appreciate the work. Hats off to you guys. Good work. Thank you.
Actually, this was a fun game. It also based on psychology of a person sitting in front of you, what he will think and what he will like the character and what he will choose. So it was a nice game.
Yeah, and you're not getting paid for this feedback, huh?